This past week, the medical device world saw a significant development in international regulatory strategy. The UK's Medicines and Healthcare Products Regulatory Agency, the MHRA, and the US Food and Drug Administration, the FDA, announced a major step towards regulatory alignment. On the surface, this suggests a future where a 510(k) clearance in the United States could create a fast track to a UK CA mark in the United Kingdom. This initiative aims to streamline market access for manufacturers. However, the reality on the ground is far more complex than a simple reciprocal approval system. This alignment is not a passport, but rather a complex new pathway with its own set of challenges. The core issue lies not in the high-level agreement, but in the details of execution, specifically concerning quality management systems and technical documentation. While the FDA is moving to harmonize its quality system regulation with the global ISO 13485 standard, which the UK already uses, the cultures of inspection and documentation remain distinct. The interpretation and enforcement of these standards can vary significantly between the agencies and their respective third-party reviewers. For example, consider a mid-sized American company that recently gained FDA clearance for a novel orthopedic implant. Encouraged by the news of regulatory alignment, they target the UK market, assuming their technical file is 90% complete. They submit their documentation to a UK-approved body, but instead of an expedited review, they receive a request for major revisions. The approved body flags their risk management file, which was sufficient for the FDA, as lacking the continuous life-cycle-based approach mandated under the UK MDR. Their post-market surveillance plan is also deemed too passive for UK requirements. This single oversight, born from assuming alignment means equivalence, leads to a costly 6-month delay and a partial rewrite of their core documentation. This case highlights the critical need for a nuanced strategy. This US-UK alignment signals the formation of a powerful new regulatory bloc, creating a competitive alternative to the European Union's CE marking process. For global medtech companies, this development forces a critical decision. Do you target the US and UK markets first, using a single, carefully constructed technical file designed for adaptation? Or do you stick to the EU MDR pathway, which remains the gold standard for access to 27 countries? The answer depends on your product, your resources, and your global ambition. Navigating these evolving regulatory landscapes requires expert guidance. To understand how to build a truly global submission strategy and leverage these new pathways effectively, please email us at info@pureglobal.com or visit our website at pureglobal.com. For powerful research tools, visit us at pureglobal.ai.